Hi friends, welcome to Shrini's Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As part of my healthy diet recipes, today I'm going to introduce you to banana date shake. This is a quick and easy breakfast recipe to get your necessary nutrients. 2 frozen bananas. I'm freezing the banana for 6 to 8 hours because I don't want my shake to be watery. If you don't want to freeze your banana, you could add in 2 or 3 ice cubes. 5 seedless dates. 1 cup coconut milk. You can substitute coconut milk with almond milk or regular milk. I'm using coconut milk because I want to get a little bit of tropical flavor in my shake. Half a teaspoon ground cinnamon. For garnish, roasted coconuts, chai seeds, roasted almonds and granola mix. In a blender, add bananas, dates, add coconut milk, add ground cinnamon, blend on high speed for 5 minutes. I didn't add any artificial sweetness to the shake. If you wish, you can add in sugar or honey. Healthy banana date shake is ready for serving. If you like my channel, like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching.